obsessed with cucumber TikTok lately, and Logan with the cucumber recipes. I'm growing them in my garden this year, so I have a few of these little babies to use up. Little baby I picked today because the cucumber plant is actually kind of dying now, which is very sad. I'm gonna chop off the butt ends, that's what I call them anyway, and then use my handy little chopper. I think it's so easy. A few of his ingredients I don't actually have, like I don't have MSG and I don't have any green onions currently, so I'm just gonna slice up really thin sweet onions instead and mix those in with my cucumbers. And he does a little bit of soy sauce, and I'm making his original cucumber recipe in case you're wondering, because I know he has like 25 variations now, but he does a little bit of soy sauce, some sesame oil, a little bit of rice vinegar, and then I actually just bought this chili crunch for these recipes because I've never tried this before and I'm very excited about it. I'm a little nervous because I've never tried this before and I'm hoping it's not super spicy. There's like, I didn't know what was in this chili crunch, but there's like little beans and soybean oil, soybeans, fava beans, split peas, chili pepper, pumpkin seeds, shallots, salt, garlic, sugar, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, so it's a bunch of different seeds and beans. Actually sounds pretty healthy. Okay, I'm gonna do a good spoonful of that. I don't know how much was okay. A little bit of the oil. I almost forgot the garlic. My favorite part. A little spoonful of garlic. We're measuring from the heart here, okay? I don't have any chopsticks currently, so I'm going to use a fork. Here. It's really good, but I think I might want to do one of the cream cheese recipes because I don't know that this would be like filling enough for a meal. It would be a good like salad as a side to like an Asian dish or something like that. But for me at least, this is not filling enough to be like a full meal in itself. It'd be a good snack. Got a little bit of spice from the chili oil, but it's not super spicy. Like I could have added more for sure. It's got a good crunch. Very good.